Cer ôl y frwydr nos ferchar oedd y clybiau'n cyfarfod unwaith eto ar barc Llandarsi bnawn Sul, ond roedd hi'n stori dra gwahanol. Capten Abertawe, Katie Hosford yn cael ei llorio gan Lisa Owen, a Hosford yn codi ac yn claddu 15 gôl gyngred y tymor hwn. Bu Hosford yn agos i rwydo eto ar ôl troi, ond i hymdrech yn taro'r trawst y tro hwn. Fe gafodd Caerdydd i cyfleon geid Lisa Owen yn cael ei harbed yn dda gan Chelsea Herbert. Ac yna cynnig Ciho yn cael ei chlirio oddi ar y llinell gan Ellie Lake. Awr ar y cloc a daeth yr ail i Abertawe, Robin Pinder yn bwydo Emily Thomas a hitha'n gosod y bel yn daclus i gefn yr hwyd. Roedd Abertawe'n benderfynol o brofi pwynt ar ôl y golled nos ferchar a bu bron i ddwy droi'n dair pan beniodd Jessica Williams yn erbyn y bar. Ac am y trydydd tro yn ystod yr ail hanner, y trawst yn nadur elyrch, ond y triphwynt yn hobi hyder Abertawe.
Chris, a really good result and performance for you here today.
Yeah, we needed it, especially after Wednesday. It was disappointing, to lose the league the way we, did. I asked for my players for a reaction, and they did it again. I thought we were phenomenal right from the first whistle to the 90th. We put our bodies on the line. Players were half taped up, and I can't fault them. Really pleased for them all.
Is there a bit of a feeling of a what if you played this well on Wednesday?
Yeah, there's always that what if, but that's football at the end of the days. I think if you look at the what ifs, I think that you always regret. You've got to look forward in football. There's always another game, and this was a perfect opportunity, South Wales derby at home, to put Wednesday to bed. So I'm looking forward now to the next few games and finishing off the season as strongly as possible.
Ian, not the result you would have hoped for here this afternoon?
No, I thought it's always disappointing to lose a game. I thought first half especially we weren't great. I think there was a little bit of a hangover from Wednesday's game in there, which we kind of expected with the emotions that were involved in that. And then second half we were much better. We had chances, they had chances, very open game, and yeah, we're disappointed with the result. But to put it in perspective, we've been fantastic all campaign. So we'll chalk this one off and look forward to next week.
Is it a bit of a wake-up call, given that you have two more cup finals to come?
Not at all. Not at all. I don't think it's a wake-up call. I think we perform when it matters. All the big games we step up and we win. So I think to call it a wake-up call would be wrong. I think it's just to put it in perspective. We put everything into Wednesday's game. Gave people opportunities today who didn't play as much in that game. And some of them didn't take it, and that's just football. I think like I said, we were good in spells. Swansea were better in spells, and I think ultimately, like I said, we can box this one off now and look forward to lifting the trophy next Sunday.
Emily, canlyniad a perfformiad gwych I chi fama pnawn 'ma?
Canlyniad rili dda. O'n i'n meddwl dwi'n mynd i'r gêm heddi, rhaid I dangos comeback I ni, achos ni wedi bod yn chwarae rili dda, ond oedd I merchan rili siomedig. A fi'n meddwl heddi ni wedi rhoi'r tôn mas na, ni wedi dod nôl, ni wedi dangos I nhw bod ni ma, ni moyn y cup final na, rili.